Hey, Stripey. Stripe. Hi. We had some serious rumbling this morning. Didn't actually rain here again. We had about a ½ an inch between right before midnight and after midnight. Anyway, I rushed out here to save Marty and Stripe from the mean old thunder. I see my one little plant fell off the table last night, but it doesn't look damaged. I'm going to get on with the morning program now, but somebody came in and ate a little bit and was all looking all happy over here. Hi. Hi. Good morning, sweetheart. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. The cat water bowl check certainly says we got a lot of rain. It's not raining right now. That's good. So 0.38 before midnight and 0.23 after midnight. So right at 0.6 of an inch, and that's exactly what this is saying. So our experience with this tempest gauge is that the rain measurement is pretty accurate for us. As far as I know, this is the only thing that happened, and that was not unexpected. With it just sitting up there on the corner of the table, we got to get it in the ground. That's the first time it's fallen, though. I'm pleased that there was no damage. No watering of anything this morning, but I will need to change out all the cat water bowls. They're nasty from raccoons and from crap out of the trees getting in them. Well, I hate it for anybody locally that had picnic plans today, rented a bounce house or a water slide, was opening up the pool, the people that wanted to go to the splash pad. I really do empathize. There's been many a Memorial Day where we've had, I would say 75% chance you're going to have rain on Memorial Day here. It seems to happen every year. That said, I think it's going to dry out some for this afternoon. It's just going to be, you know, a little crimp on the party, not a cancellation. I'm sorry, your bench is too wet. Come on up to the other spot then. I'm not bending down there to pet you. Come on. Come on. Good boy. There you go. No reason to make Mom bend all the way to the, come here, all the way to the ground when you can be up at normal standing height for me. Sam's going to come see you today. Yeah. I hate it for him and their friends that all of the places to sit outside are wet. I mean, I've squished them out and everything this morning, but they won't be dry by afternoon. You be a good boy now. Hi, Marty. Morris, I saw Stripey too. Everybody walking around over here this morning. Okay. Stripe's somewhere in there. That's fine. You guys get a walkabout in. I don't know if the rain's over or not. Hey, Panther. This is my second time out to see him. We got his pill in him. I came out and he went down 3 steps, and I had to come out with food long enough to get him to be willing to come near me so I could snag him. Thanks for letting me outsmart you, bud, so we could get that medicine in you, because you are definitely moving around more and looking less gaunt. Your fur's not as nice as it is sometimes, but this here on his backbone, I'm feeling it, is a lot better than it was there for a few days. So I hope we have good success when we stop the medicine. We've got enough for one more morning. We switched to mornings from night when he ran from us one night and we couldn't get him in. He went and got in the doghouse, and I'm not pulling Panther out of the doghouse. Not happening. So I didn't hear about any structure damage last night, but there were 3 trees down between Fuquay and Angier on Highway 55, and the road was closed for a while, and there were lots of reports on Facebook in the local groups of power, you know, spotty power outages. But I checked in with Michelle. It seemed like all the damage happened around the sheets on 401 there at 5 Points up to the car dealerships. And I guess down 55 toward Angier a little bit, but not out 42 or, you know, anyway. I'm glad it wasn't worse. It looked significant when it came through last night, so definitely glad it wasn't worse. It's good to see him eat. Gray! Hey, sweet pea! How are ya? Hi! Whoops! Yes, a good girl. You've been getting lots of attention. Yeah. Johnny's been giving you lots of TLC. Looks like Marty's in the cat hotel. Or maybe that's Morris. The other one's in the chair. And here comes Tux. He was under the fairy garden. Yeah, we're just going for a walk and it's noon. We still got enough time before Sam comes. It's, you know, it was raining and it's humid out here. There's Stripey. It's just not a great day to go for a walk. The air is heavy with moisture. Don's gonna pull Jules out. Anyway, we were sitting and doing, and now we're not sitting. You're looking mighty comfortable over there.
Well, this is I have assumed the position. You know, this is, it's really sticky out there. It doesn't look like much, but let me tell you, it's high humidity. What's our thing say the humidity is outside?
I don't know, a lot.
A lot. And it's
you really
sticky.
want to know?
It's really sticky.
Let me see, find the tempest.
And if the sun pops out, you don't even want to be around it. I am turning around today. If the sun pops out on our walk, wherever it pops out, I'm going the other way.
You want the humidity?
Yes, please.
It's a measly 88% right now.
Only 88%? Oh, it feels like it's just like dripping out there.
Yeah, it's really heavy. It's not good breathing air at all. Well, even though we never thought the wind was too bad at our house last night, you can see these leaf clumps over here post-storm. I felt cool air come off the creek a few times. A pocket of coolish air, cooler air. It's flowing today. Little refill last night, this morning. There's a lady that moved into the area a few days ago, maybe 5 now. She lives just one road down farther than the turn-in for our neighborhood, and her cat got out. Bob, it's a girl though, and she put a tracker on the cat just in case before she moved, and the tracker's not helping her find the cat, and so I'm keeping an eye out. One of the motivations for being out here on the trail today is just in case, because Kitty was spotted at the entrance to our neighborhood, and I've been looking at the security footage. I would really hoped Kitty would show up at my food bowls, but so far no luck, and I'm really sad for this owner. She's desperate to find her kitty. Well, I'm surprised it's closed. You know, 30 minutes after thunder and lightning, you gotta wait. I get that. I mean, it's been open before while it's raining, as long as there's no thunder and lightning. But it's just all shut down right now. You can tell because the roll counter gate up there, the little pull down thing, is shut with a message on it. Well, there's the first splash pad bracelet of the season, and many more to come. I think yay it's raining because it feels really good, but we'll see how heavy it gets and how much thunder and lightning there is on the way back to the car. So far, no thunder and lightning, as we've got the option of going and getting in the dugout, of course. It's a super tiny cell, so it's not going to do much for more than 5 minutes, even if it comes down good. Well, Sam was here with their friends, and they did get to see Tux, but Tux didn't really want to.
Yeah, well, it's a really.
But midnight was the normal affectionate. God, the air feels good in here. It's nice out here, Donnie.
Well, I told you I ain't gonna work in my garage. I don't got air conditioning.
That's right. It's good for the 3D printer too, probably. So, what you working on now?
I am working on a Shelly.
One of your pucks.
Switch, Wi-Fi switch. That's correct.
All right.
I've got it hooked up. I'm going to wire it into something else. I couldn't find one that I thought I had already programmed. I can't remember what I did with it. It'll probably turn up.
Okay. Johnny's got a print going.
Wait.
Well, for all intents and purposes, the first floor's done. I changed the ground back here different than what they had. I like it better. These are the little chairs at the table, although I guess with the stones. But yeah, they have a patio chair and basically a sliding glass door back there. And the top's all nicely finished now in the front. I'm missing 2 or 3 pieces. No sense spelling out what they are. And when I get them, I'll stick them on like the little cap for the light post. I'm happy with it. I just need to stop for dinner. He has a snail down here on the flower. It's pretty cute. Let's see if I can get it in focus. Maybe not. I used the green cherries for the snail's antennas. It's pretty cute. I can't believe I forgot to take a picture of the hamburgers. But there are plenty of leftover chaffles.